at a time when suits are looking plain without a tie. Have no fear, the pocket square is here. That was fun. Okay, now I'll show you how to fold. The first step is to check your pocket depth. You may have to take off your jacket to do this correctly. You may also have to open the pocket. They come sewn shut, so you'll have to gently cut the one stitch to free it. Gently. By far, the most popular fold is the presidential. It's as iconic as the dinner jacket itself. Lay the pocket square upside down with an edge towards you. Fold in half towards you, then fold in half to the left, and fold in half again. Fold the bottom up to be a little bit longer than the depth of your pocket. Don't fold it in half like the newtubers tell you. Voila! Pocket that thing. You probably look like Bond already. Now for a couple pointers. First, the best material for this is cotton. Second, this is the most common fold for black tie. Third, you might want to iron this to get a nice crisp look. Fourth, the classic fold is just the same fold upside down. Fifth and final, the breast pocket flares up and to the left for a reason. This is to enhance the visual appeal of a suit. So things in this pocket look best if they flare up and to the left as well. One thing you'll notice about the presidential fold is it violates that rule. It settles flat like your hair on a bad hair day. To solve this common problem with the presidential fold, check out the prophet fold and keep watching because I'm going to talk about that soon. The puff is my favorite fold because it's so easy. Lay the pocket square right side up. Pinch the very center and wrap your fingers around the pinch. Pull through till you can give the pocket square an attractive shape. But the newtuber told you to fold it in half? Bad newtuber. There you have it, gentlemen. Pocket that thing. This fold is great for catching the occasional sneeze. Ugh. You could even spray a little bit of your favorite fragrance or some eucalyptus oil on a sick day. The angled peak fold has the most views of any short on YouTube. Lay the pocket square upside down with the point towards you. Fold the bottom corner up about an inch above the other side. Notice how the peak looks nice here. Hold a little right of the bottom center and take the top peak to the right next to the first. Move your finger a little more to the right and take the top peak next to the other. Fold the remaining peak till it's about as wide as the others. Then move your finger a little bit more to the right and take your last peak up to the others. Fold the bottom up to the depth of your pocket, not in half. Those pesky newtubers get this wrong all the time. Lastly, fold the side in. Voila, it's ready for your pocket. The reverse center fold is one that can result in some interesting patterns. Although very popular, most people don't know its name. Lay the handkerchief upside down, fold the four corners to the center. Pinch the corners at the center and wrap your other hand around the pinch. Pull up to get an idea of what it will look like in your pocket. Shape by pulling on some of the edges of the points. Put in your pocket with the points facing down, then shape to create some visual appeal. As you can see, this creates some intriguing pattern, especially with a high quality pocket square. A couple of pointers on this fold. If you give it a little twist while folding, it makes it even more interesting. The best material for this fold is silk. And this fold starts to look even better with pocket squares larger than 13 inches. The three stairs fold is great to enhance the natural appeal of the breast pocket. Lay the square upside down with the point towards you. Fold the bottom corner to the center and flip. Pinch about 2 inches from the top and fold up, making the first pleat. Repeat the previous step to make the second pleat. Flip upside down with the folds towards you. Fold the left corner to the right and then turn towards you. Hold and adjust the left pleats to be close to each other and fan the right pleats. Fold a line on the right and on the left. Fold the bottom to the depth of your pocket. Oh yeah, pocket that thing. The prophet fold gives you a minimal look while solving some of the issues with the presidential fold. Also, I like prophets better than presidents. Lay the pocket square upside down with the edge towards you. Fold the top right corner to the center of the bottom edge. Fold the right edge on top of the left edge. Fold the top left point so that the top edge is as wide as your pocket. Hold the top left point and fold the left edge over the right. Fold the bottom up till the right edge is the depth of your pocket. You got it, pocket that thing. Only one pointer for this fold. You can make this have a more pronounced angle by moving the top right point along the bottom edge to the left. Here are some additional pocket square pointers. First, never match a pocket square to your necktie exactly. That's too easy, and too easy shows lack of taste. Second, use a tie clip for a couple benefits. First, to hold the folds before putting it in your pocket. Second, to settle the pocket square to the bottom of your pocket easier. With your trusty pocket square, you never have to fear looking plain without a necktie. Let me know your favorite fold in the comments. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll never have to take style advice from a newtuber again. Most importantly, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.